Updating your personal information on Bitget is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bitget website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or User menu, often represented by an icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. In the Personal Information section, you can edit fields such as your name, email address, phone number, and other relevant details. Make the necessary changes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily update your personal information on Bitget. Always ensure your details are accurate to maintain account security.